Good morning, Mr. Bermudez's fourth graders. Your science worksheet today is about rock formations. So there are only 3 questions, but you'll need to read the information first. Rock formations. There are some amazing natural rock structures in the world. They are either naturally formed or formed in various ways of erosion, worn away by glaciers, blowing sand in the desert, water or weathering, such as wind and rain. There are 3 types of naturally formed rocks. All right, so over here I see a picture and it says a mushroom rock formation in Mushroom Rock State Park in Kansas. It was formed by the erosion of a harder rock on top of a softer rock, but the rock is sandstone. And so when you read nonfiction, you don't have to read the whole thing in order. You can jump around and look. I like that in here where it talks about various forms of erosion, and then right after it, it gives me the definition and it says worn away. So now I'm going to read about the 3 types of naturally formed rocks. So number 1, sedimentary. This means they formed grain by grain, layer by layer, either in the water where rocks and dirt settle to the bottom or on land by erosion. Number 2, metamorphic. This means the rocks are made from other kinds of rocks or minerals. This happens with heat, pressure, and chemical reactions. And number 3, igneous. These kinds of rocks are made when lava or molten rocks cool and become solid. Sometimes they have crystals that form in them. Erosion then forms the lines and curves of these rock formations. One igneous rock formation is Half Dome in Yosemite National Park. And then I'm going to read here, and this is called Jug Rock. Jug Rock is made of sandstone. It is in Shoals, Indiana, in the valley of the East Fork of the White River. Jug Rock is the largest freestanding rock table formation, or T-table, in the USA, east of the Mississippi River. It is 60 feet high and 20 feet in diameter. Boy, that tells me it's really big. Half Dome photo by Rayner, posted on Wikipedia. Hubenthal. All right, rock trivia. So now to answer the questions, I might need to go back to the story. Number 1, what are the 3 types of naturally formed rock formations? And so I remember reading that right here in our beginning paragraph. There are 3 types of naturally formed rocks. So the answer was sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. So I will need to type here. And I can say the 3 types of rock formations are sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. Okay, put a period there at the end. Number 2, what kind of rock is Half Dome in Yosemite National Park? And so I remember reading that right here in number 3. It said one igneous rock formation is Half Dome in Yosemite National Park. And that's in number 3, so that was igneous. So what kind of rock it is igneous. Half Dome in Yosemite National Park is igneous rock. And number 3, what is another name for a table rock formation like Jug Rock? And so we did read a little bit about Jug Rock right here. And another name for it, it says Jug Rock is the largest freestanding table rock formation, or T-table. So that would be another name for Jug Rock. Another name for a rock. Another name for Jug Rock is T-table. And that should be it. And then you can submit. Remember, you can always pause to catch up with the typing. Bye.